Hey tech lovers, tired of lukewarm coffee? Meet the Nextmug, a self-heating, temperature-controlled mug that keeps your drink just right for hours. 3 heat settings, sleek design, and no more reheating drama. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out. The Nextmug is the kind of product you didn't know you needed until you tried it. This mug keeps my coffee at the perfect temperature for hours, like it's whispering, "Take your time, champ, I got this." The 3 heat settings are a game changer. I can have my coffee at lava hot, cozy warm, or just right, without the drama of constant reheating. And the design? So sleek, it makes me feel like I'm sipping coffee in a sci-fi movie. It's also surprisingly durable. I've knocked it over a few times, because I'm clumsy, not because the mug is bad, and it's still going strong. You can't overstate the joy of sipping a perfectly hot cup of coffee an hour after pouring it. It's like having a tiny, loyal butler who knows your ideal coffee temperature and doesn't judge your caffeine addiction. Honestly, the Nextmug might have saved my mornings and my relationships. No more grumpy me snapping at people because of cold coffee. Worth every penny. On its dark side, some people are not so happy about its battery functionality, and others think that the charging dock feels like it came straight from 2010. Overall, if you love your coffee at the perfect temperature and hate reheating it, the Nextmug is a game changer. With adjustable heat settings and sleek design, it keeps your drink warm for hours. Perfect for slow sippers and for true coffee lovers, it's worth the splurge. So if you have or know more about the Nextmug, leave a comment and tell us what you think about it. And if not, click on the link below. You will be directed to the website where you can buy the product. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're having a great day.